What if I told you that the reason she isn't attracted to you has nothing to do with your looks, your money, or even what you say, but everything to do with how you make her feel without trying? And once you understand this, you gain an advantage most men never even realize exists, because she does not melt for muscles, money, or smooth lines. She melts when a man creates a feeling inside her that she cannot explain but cannot resist. And the truth is, most men completely miss this because they think attraction is logical, when in reality it is emotional, psychological, and deeply instinctive. She is not falling for your words. She is falling for your presence, your energy, and the way you carry yourself in silence. And this is exactly where Stoicism becomes your hidden power. Because when you learn to control yourself, your reactions, and your emotions, you begin to shape the emotional environment around you, and without even trying, you become the kind of man she feels drawn to. The first thing that makes a woman melt is emotional calm in moments where most men lose control, and this is where almost every man fails without even knowing it. Because when she tests you, teases you, challenges you, or even pulls back slightly, it is not random behavior. It is her way of observing you. She is watching how you respond. She is measuring your emotional stability, and most men react instantly. They become defensive. They try to prove themselves, they over-explain, or they chase for reassurance. And in doing so, they lose all their power. But when you stay calm, relaxed, and unbothered, you communicate something much stronger than words. You show that you are emotionally grounded. You show that her behavior does not control your state of mind, and that sends a deep signal of strength because from her perspective, a man who cannot control himself cannot handle life, but a man who stays steady under pressure feels safe, strong, and reliable. And that kind of stability is something the feminine mind is naturally attracted to on a deep level. It creates a sense of calm around you that she feels without being able to explain it. The second thing that makes her melt is controlled attention. And this is something very few men understand because most men believe that giving more attention will increase attraction. But the opposite is often true. Because when you give unlimited attention, reply instantly every time, and make her the center of your world, your attention loses value. It becomes predictable and easy to get, and what is easy to get is rarely valued. But when your attention feels limited, when you are not always available, when you do not chase every conversation, something changes in her mind. She begins to feel curiosity. She starts asking herself why you are different, why you do not seem desperate, why your attention feels rare, and that curiosity slowly turns into attraction, because human nature values what feels scarce, and this is where Stoic men naturally stand out. They are not pretending to be busy. They are genuinely focused on their purpose, their goals, and their own life. And because of that, they do not revolve around her. And when she senses that your life is already full and meaningful without her, she does not feel ignored. She feels intrigued, and she begins to want to become a part of your world instead of expecting you to enter hers. The third thing that melts her is mystery created by restraint. And this is where most men unknowingly destroy attraction because they talk too much. They try to explain everything about themselves. They overshare their thoughts, their plans, and their feelings in an attempt to impress. But what they do not realize is that by revealing everything, they remove all mystery. And without mystery, there is no curiosity. And without curiosity, attraction fades. But when you practice restraint, when you speak less and observe more, when your answers are calm, simple, and slightly incomplete, you create space. And that space is powerful because her mind naturally tries to fill in the gaps, and the human imagination almost always creates a more attractive version than reality. So by saying less, you allow her to build interest on her own, and small behaviors amplify this effect, like holding eye contact just a little longer than usual, giving a slight, confident smile instead of overreacting, and staying composed in silence. These subtle signals create a kind of tension that she feels but cannot fully understand. And that tension slowly transforms into attraction because now she is emotionally engaged, trying to figure you out. The fourth thing that makes a woman melt is quiet confidence without seeking validation. And this is one of the rarest qualities a man can have. because most men are constantly looking for approval. They want compliments. They want reassurance that they are liked. They want signs that they are doing the right thing, and without realizing it, they place their value in her hands. But what she is truly attracted to is the opposite. A man who already knows his worth, a man who does not need her approval to feel confident. When you stop trying to impress, when you stop adjusting your personality just to win her over, when you stop fishing for praise, something shifts in the dynamic. She starts to feel your inner strength. She sees that you are not dependent on her opinion, and that creates a powerful attraction because it is rare. And when something is rare, it becomes valuable, and now the roles begin to reverse. Instead of you trying to impress her, she starts wondering how she can impress you. She starts thinking about what she can do to earn your attention, and this shift is where attraction begins to work in your favor without force, without effort, just through your natural presence and self-control. The fifth thing that melts her is emotional non-neediness, and this is where true strength shows, because neediness is not about wanting someone, it is about depending on them for your emotional state. And women can sense this instantly, even if you try to hide it, because it shows in your behavior, in how quickly you respond, in how much you seek reassurance, in how affected you are by her actions. And when she feels that you need her to feel okay, it creates pressure, and pressure pushes attraction away. But when you are emotionally self-sufficient, when your happiness, your focus, and your peace come from within, you create a completely different feeling. You become someone who chooses her, not someone who needs her. And that difference is powerful because it removes pressure and replaces it with freedom. And in that freedom, attraction has space to grow naturally, because now she feels that being with you is a choice, not an obligation. And that makes every interaction feel lighter, more genuine, and more emotionally engaging. This is the mindset shift most men truly need to understand if they want to experience real attraction, because the biggest mistake men make is coming from a place of need instead of choice. And the moment you change that, everything about your energy changes. You no longer talk to her because you need her attention or approval. You talk to her because you choose to, and that small shift completely transforms how she feels around you, because now your actions are not driven by fear. They are driven by confidence. And when you stay calm, it is not because you are trying to act cool or impress her. It is because deep down, you are not afraid of losing her. And that energy is incredibly powerful because it is rare. Most men are afraid of losing the woman they like, and that fear shows in everything they do. But when she feels that you are genuinely okay with or without her, she naturally feels drawn towards you, because women are deeply attracted to men who are emotionally self-sufficient, and the man who is not afraid to walk away becomes the man she is afraid to lose. Most men believe that attraction is about doing more. They think if they send more messages, give more compliments, and put in more effort, they will win her over. But this is where they go wrong, because Stoicism teaches the exact opposite. Attraction does not grow when you do more. It grows when you do less, but with stronger presence, less talking but more observing, less reacting but more understanding, less chasing but more choosing. And this creates a completely different emotional experience for her, because what she is really responding to is not the quantity of your actions, but the quality of your presence. She is feeling how you make her feel inside, whether she feels calm around you, whether she feels curious about you, whether there is a slight sense of uncertainty that keeps her engaged, whether she feels emotionally safe yet intrigued at the same time. And these emotions are powerful because they are addictive. She may not even be able to explain why she enjoys being around you. She just knows that she feels something different, something she does not feel with other men, and that is when you know you have reached a level that most men never reach. But it becomes even more interesting when you truly apply these principles in your behavior, because you stop performing for her completely, you stop trying to win her approval, you stop acting in ways that you think will impress her, and instead, you simply exist as your natural self with calm confidence and control. And ironically, that is exactly when she feels the most attraction towards you, because authenticity combined with emotional discipline creates a powerful presence that cannot be faked. She does not melt because you are loud or overly expressive. She melts because you are composed and steady. She does not melt because you chase her constantly. She melts because you are centered and grounded in yourself. She does not melt because you try to impress her with words or actions. She melts because you remain unaffected by things that would shake other men. When she notices that her emotions do not control you, her respect for you naturally increases because she sees strength in your stability. When she feels that your attention is not something she can easily get anytime she wants, her interest begins to deepen because she values what is not easily available. When she senses mystery instead of predictability in your behavior, her curiosity grows stronger because the unknown always pulls people in. When she realizes that you are not seeking validation from her, she begins to give you validation without you asking for it. And when she feels that you are emotionally independent, she feels safe enough to open up emotionally herself because there is no pressure, no neediness, just a calm space where she can be herself. This is the truth that very few people say openly. Attraction is not about effort. It is about emotional experience, and the man who controls himself controls that experience. So the next time you interact with her, stop focusing on what you should say or how you should act. Instead, focus on how you are being in that moment. Be calm, be measured, be fully present, be unfazed by small things. Let her feel your stillness. Let her sense that you are not trying too hard, because the moment you stop forcing attraction, it begins to happen naturally on its own, without pressure, without struggle, just through your presence. And once you truly understand this, you realize something powerful. You do not need tricks, lines, or strategies to attract her. You do not need to memorize what to say or how to act. What you actually need is emotional mastery. You need a stoic presence that is strong from within. You need to become the kind of man whose inner world is so stable that her emotions start to revolve around yours. And that is when attraction becomes effortless. That is when she starts to feel drawn to you without knowing exactly why. And that is when she melts naturally, without you having to chase, convince, or force anything at all.